cell therapy represents a pivotal advancement in the field of regenerative medicine. As global populations age, many diseases will rely on the regeneration and repair of a patient's own cells. However, inconsistent cell sources and unstable manual culture methods increase both risks and costs. eTree has launched Taiwan's first intelligent automation system for cell production. This fully automated system integrates and standardizes all critical steps of the cell culture process, including cell seeding, medium exchange, subculture, and cell harvesting. With intelligent biomedical imaging analysis, it monitors cell growth, adjusts culture parameters, and selects high-quality cells for stable cultivation. Integrated real-time sensing and big data analytics ensure standardized, optimized production, reducing costs and batch variability. This innovation is set to drive the commercialization of cell therapy and position Taiwan as a leader in automated cell manufacturing.